Streamlined Backshop Services presents a brief demonstration of one of our newest products. We are now able to offer a steam helper, which is basically a motorized boxcar. In this case, we've actually put sound in it too. So now you have a motorized sound car, boxcar that you can put behind a slippery steam engine and greatly improve its pulling power. Now you can see a cut of 30 behind a Mikado with no problem. This particular demonstration, we've got just 10 cars off the layout here hooked up to it, and it pulls them effortlessly. This particular car is outfitted with an ESU Loksound Micro. It's one of the new version 4.0s. And the file is a Mikado, some Mikado file that the sound file that I have pulled out. We could just easily put this in a diesel sound too if you've got a little switcher diesel that needs some help regularly. Here's a picture of the train. We've got, just a handful of box cars and tank cars. But as you can see, it has a really nice smooth drive and does a great job pulling and pushing lots of extra stock. Be sure to contact us at www.svs4dcc.com for more information and to request a quote on your car today.